Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. So recently, Self-Care Catherine, you guys may know who she is, she commented on one of my videos asking if I could do like a Scentsy starter kit, almost like a recommendation video of things that I personally think that would be good for anyone who is new to Scentsy, new to the brand, etc. And I thought that was a fabulous idea. Honestly, thank you. I think it's a great idea. And so today I'm here to share my recommendations to you guys. Scentsy has a lot going on, so I'm just gonna keep it real simple with wax and warmers today. I'm not gonna get into like all the nitty gritty. I'm going to keep it very high level because like any company that you're starting to get into, it can get very overwhelming very fast. So I'm gonna start at the top. So what I'm going to say right at the beginning, if you are planning on buying wax from Scentsy and you intend on buying a couple clams of wax, I recommend doing the bundle and save. So if you buy a single bar of wax, it's a certain price. If you want to buy multiples, so we have a bundle for 3 bars of wax. So if you're gonna buy these, my recommendation is to bundle them together to save money. We have typically bundles in 3s and also 6, but the tricky part is if you are going to do the 3 option or the 6 option, you have to go to the specials tab and go to bundle and save. If you just put 3 bars of wax in your cart, they're not going to automatically bundle and save. So that's just something to keep in mind up front. You have to go to bundle and save to do it. It won't just automatically do it for you. So definitely would recommend doing the bundle and save because why not save money where you can, right? So first, I'm going to just talk about a 3-bar bundle that I think just would kind of, if you're new to Scentsy, you don't know where to begin, I think this is personally a good place to start. So the first one I'm going to recommend is Vanilla Bean Buttercream. So the notes that Scentsy says is decadent buttercream frosting made with the freshest butter whipped with cane sugar and vanilla extract. This is literally like a buttercream frosting. It's so good. It's your basic Betty vanilla bakery scent. There's no spices. It's just bakery. So if you are like not a spice person, shouldn't have any issues with this. There's no spices. It's just sweetness. It is not cloying sweetness either. It's not to the point where it's going to give you a headache because it's just so sweet. I know like caramel is a scent that really does that to me. I don't have any issues with this scent. I can melt it by itself. It's very strong on its own and I don't get like that cloying headache. So this would be my number 1. As you guys can tell, I only have 1 cube left of this. I actually just reordered some because this is one of my favorites. So the next recommendation I have is the Black Raspberry Vanilla Bar. So the notes on this from Scentsy is delicious sun-sweetened dark berries warmed with vanilla. If you guys can imagine what Black Raspberry Vanilla smells like, you've likely smelled it from another company most likely. It's pretty basic, but I think it's a really good like do not know where to start type of scent. It's really just berries and vanilla, very strong, applicable all year round in my opinion. I don't really feel like this is like super seasonal, even though it is a more berry scent. And why? I think first of all, this is very well liked by a lot of people. Like I feel like if you're unsure of what to get somebody, I feel like this is a safe option. So why not? You know, I feel like it's pretty safe for yourself or as a gift. What I like about this little bundle we're building is, say this is a little bit too tart or fruity for you, throw in some of the vanilla bean buttercream and you can sweeten it up, give it a little more of that bakery feel. So I definitely think these two are great alone, but also could be great together. So definitely think these two are a win. And then the last one, I can't make a recommendations video without talking about this one. You guys probably know how I feel about this scent if you've watched my channel. So this is Luna. So if you've been around with Scentsy or know of the company, you probably have heard of Luna, or if you've been on my channel before. Scentsy describes it as white florals, jasmine, sweet pea, and freesia, juicy berries, and sandalwood shimmer like moonlight. So a lot of people read that and are scared because they're like, that's a floral, and I don't like florals. Here's the thing. Luna is not like other florals. I'm not a floral person, I'll be honest. And I came across this because my consultant at the time sent me a scent circle. Honestly, I probably would have never tried it, but once I opened that scent circle, I fell in love. It is so unique, and it's not like going to a flower shop or like the perfume maybe you remember like older ladies wearing, like if they wear really heavy floral perfumes that can kind of like give you like that powdery and almost like a headache. That's like what I think of when I think of floral. This is not that. So this has, like it says, it has jasmine, sweet pea, and freesia. To me, those are like non-offensive florals. Those are like the florals that people tend to like and don't know that it's a floral that is what they're smelling. That's what I get from this. It's like, it just has a very freshness, and when you know it's floral, you're like, okay, I could maybe pick that out. But I feel like the mix of the berries and the sandalwood, it just comes together so well. To me, this is a scent you have to smell at least once to really like grasp whether you like it or not. It's not something I feel like you should write off right away without actually smelling it. It's so good. I absolutely love it. I'm a total fan of Luna. So this is my 3-bar bundle recommendation. If you're like, you know what, Ashley, I'm really not convinced. I don't think Luna's for me. I'm really still not a floral person. I'm gonna give you one alternative. I don't have a bar with me, but I do wanna make this recommendation just in case Luna or another one of these scents just makes you a little bit questionable. I am going to recommend, which is another one kind of like Luna, it's Amazon Rain. So it's kind of like Luna in the sense that it has a lot of scents packed into it, but the way they mix together is just so unique and so fresh and clean. The notes on this are set off on a rainforest romp swirling with sweet notes of melon, orange zest, coconut milk, and sultry night blooming jasmine. It is just so fresh, but also so different. I highly recommend that one as well. So if you aren't feeling the Luna, you could easily sub in a bar of Amazon Rain. Maybe bakery scents aren't for you. You could sub in the Amazon Rain with these two instead of the vanilla bean buttercream. I feel like that's a good extra one that is really good that you, it's a good one to try, but also if I'm just picking and being honest, these are my top 3. But I'm giving Amazon Rain an honorable mention. So what I did want to mention while I was here is we do actually have a bundle called the Scentsy System. So what you can do with the Scentsy System is get a warmer and bundle 3 wax bars with it. So if you're already buying 3 wax bars, you need a warmer. Perfect timing, right? So a couple of options I wanted to recommend, just to recommend a warmer to you guys. I wanted to recommend the etched cores. So I actually have a mini one here. The etched core like regular line is white. I have the rose gold version that we offered during the January warmer of the month promotion. So this is rose gold. It looks the same except for it's white. Like it's white all over, but it has like the same holes. It has the same design. It plugs into the wall. So this is a mini warmer because it plugs right into like your outlet. I really love this. They're a bit cheaper because they're smaller. They don't fit as much wax because the like little dish isn't as big, but they are super cute, perfect for like bathrooms or anywhere that you have maybe like a higher outlet, like a kitchen or something. So it's not like this where it's low to the ground where you could potentially hit it. I mostly prefer it for the bathrooms and the kitchen area. So this is the etched core. like I said, this is the rose gold. The white one is what you could bundle and save with your 3 wax bars. I think this is also a perfect gift for someone. But maybe you're looking for a little bit more oomph in your house. You're like, I have a bigger house. This isn't gonna cut it. I just don't generally like plug-in warmers. I'd rather have something that stands alone. This right behind me here is actually the Etched Core full size. Once again, this is the rose gold version. There is just like a plain white version, and I highly recommend it. I'm trying to see if I can find a picture, but I don't know if I can. I highly recommend it. Here it is. Here's the 2 of them together. This right here, the Etched Core full size, has a 25-watt light bulb and a fabulous performer, might I add. Like, if you are going for, I want this thing to really throw in my house, I would definitely recommend the Etched Core full-size warmer. So that, instead of the little plug-in, it comes with an actual cord that you can probably see right there, and then it plugs into the wall. So also I will say, the Scentsy cords on their warmers are very long. So if you've bought warmers from like retail stores in the past and that's a pain point for you, have no fear. The Scentsy warmer cords are very long, much longer than retail cords, which has saved me multiple times from like having to move things around to plug them in. So you can bundle that with the 3 bars of wax. You can bundle this with the 3 bars of wax. You can just get the bundle if you want. Those are just some of my recommendations right off the top if you don't know where to begin. I'm also gonna throw just one last little random suggestion out there for you. So if maybe you're not completely sold, or maybe you're want to have a little bit of a surprise element, I guess, we do offer a mystery box type of product that we call Scentsy Whiff boxes. So what these are essentially mystery boxes full of all of smell good things. These are not boxes full of wax, so it could be any of Scentsy's variation of products, which is a lot of products, but it generally does include wax in the box as well. So if you're going into it thinking, oh, I'm gonna get a mystery box of waxes to try, that isn't exactly the situation. It is a variety across the board of all of Scentsy's products, but generally there is a decent amount of wax options included, as well as other things. So if you are a little bit on the, I don't know, like want to be surprised, I guess, I would highly recommend our Scentsy Whiff boxes. It changes every month to a new mystery sample of products, and it's just really exciting and a great way to try new Scentsy products. So if maybe wax totally isn't your thing, or you're looking to try a little bit of wax and a little bit of something else, I'd recommend the Whiff box. If you're getting a gift for someone, I would recommend the warmer and the 3-bar bundle of wax. So those are just my quick Scentsy like starter kit, new to Scentsy recommendations. I hope this helped. As always, if you have questions, please comment them down below. Feel free to DM me on Instagram or send me an email. I have all that information below as well in the description box. I can't wait to hear from you. I can't wait to see what you think if you pick any of these up. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.